I don't know. Will they let us in the cafeteria with Carter?
I don't know. I think they. Where's Ethan? Say Ethan.
You didn't record that?
Well, he's trying to call somebody. Maybe he's trying to call Mitch and Katie.
She's playing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Whoop.
Ethan. Ethan.
Ethan. Ethan.
Ethan.
Where's little Ethan?
Camera debut. Look at Papa for a minute. Oh, there you go. You can have the credit card again. Look at Papa for a minute. Say hi to Meme. Say hi to Meme.
From this side.
You didn't get Carter on that one, right? You got Addison and Ethan. Look at the hair. I think Carter had more hair, right? Didn't he?
No, he's awake.
Is he really? Yeah.
There's Daddy. Aww.
Bigger in general and more filled out.
Oh, he's got his eyes open
Well, I just thought,
a little
I
bit.
kept thinking Carter had it seemed like he had an awful lot of hair when he was born.
Do you have a head of hair? Huh?
Did you have a head of hair?
Brad had, when he was a baby, had fringe, like just around the back.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the waterfall down the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Well, what the heck if they didn't save it?
Whoop, you want to put it in there?
Carter.
You zipped it up. How can you put
Carter,
it in
you
there?
go see Ethan?
Carter.
Hmm.